Let me show you how to create 3D AI images while using Bing. Firstly, open any browser and search bing.com. Now search Bing AI Image Creator here. Open Image Creator from Microsoft Designer Bing. You can see this screen. Now you can create your account with your Gmail. Enter prompt on search bar. Prompt is in the description. Wait for a few seconds. Now here is the result. Click to preview images. These are all the images I created by one strong prompt. And modify it further for more amazing results. You can easily download image with one click. That's it. If you can like this video, then subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.